want to discuss together equations with many solutions or no solution. So we have three types of equations. Let's see the first one. This is to summarize 7.4. So the first step is that we combine the like terms, which are 2x and the x. Let's combine. This is the right hand side and this is the left hand side. X can move to the left hand side. It was positive, so when it moves, it will move with negative. So now it becomes 2x minus x is x plus 4 equals, what do you still have on the right? Just the 2. So x plus 4 equals 2 again. Like terms 4 and 2. Combine the like terms. 4 can move to the right with negative. 2 minus 4 is negative 2. So now you have x equals negative 2. Why did I move the 4? Because I want the x to be on a side and numbers on the other side. So x equals negative 2. So whenever there is a variable that's equal to a constant, so this one means it has one solution. This equation has one solution. 2x plus 4 equals 2x plus 4. You can notice that both sides are exactly the same. So we can combine the like terms again. 2x and 2x. Move to x with negative. So what would happen is 2x minus 2x is 0. So it becomes 4 equals 4. Whenever you have a constant equal constant, this means that you have infinitely many solutions. What is the meaning of infinitely many solutions? It means that this x can equal 0, it can equal 1, it can equal 2, 5, whatever the number it is. So infinitely many solutions. Let's try x equals 0. 2 times 0 is 0, plus 4 is 4, equals 2 times 0 is 0, plus 4 is 4. So whenever I tried x equals 0, it worked. Let's try x equals 1. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 4 is 6, equals 2 times 1 is 2, plus 4 is also 6, so x is equal 1. And even if you tried x equal 100, it would work. X equal 1000, it will work. So this is the meaning of infinitely many solutions. The last question, 2x plus 4 equals 2x minus 2. Again, right hand side, left hand side. Like terms, 2x and 2x. Combine, 2x minus 2x, cancel. So 2x minus 2x is 0, so now it becomes 4 equals negative 2. Does it make sense? Is the 4 equal to the negative 2? No, they are not equal. So we can say that this is no solution. I cannot solve this equation. So we have three types: no solution, many solutions, or one solution. Question number 1 in the extra practice worksheet, in the homework sheet. So now let's multiply. 4 times x is 4x minus 4 times 2 is negative 8. 4 times 2 is 8, so it is negative 8. I distributed. Whenever I see any question, we use the DCI rule. Distribute, combine, inverse. So 4x minus 8 equals 4x plus 10. Again, you will notice that 4x and 4x will get combined. This will move with negative, cancel. So you have negative 8 equals 10. Does it make sense? No. Negative 8 is not equal to 10, so this is no solution. Question 2. Have n plus 7 equals n plus 14 over 2. You will notice that you have fractions, and I should get rid of the fractions first. 7.2 if you remember. So whenever you have a half, how do you get rid of the denominator? I will multiply by 2. Why? The 2 will cancel with the 2. 2 divided 2 is 1. So the answer is 1. So again, I should multiply the whole equation with 2. So left hand side times 2, right hand side times 2. Now let's distribute. This 2 will be multiplied by half n, and it will be multiplied by 7. So 2 times half, we said that half times 2 will equal 1. Why? Because 2 divided 2 is 1, and 1 times 1 is 1. So now it becomes 2 times half, just 1, 1n, plus 2 times 7, 14, equals, what do you have here? N plus 14 over 2 times 2. Again, what will happen? The 2 will cancel with 2. because 2 divided 2 is 1. So you still have n plus 14, exactly the same. Both of them are exactly the same. Combine like terms, n and n. It will move with negative n, cancelled. So 14 equals 14. So this is infinitely many solutions. Whenever they are exactly the same, we said that it would be many solutions. Two constants the same, so it's infinitely many solutions. Very good. Question 3. This is revising 7.3 also, distributive property. Again, DCI, distribute, combine, inverse. So 6 times x first, and then 6 times negative 1. 6 times x is 6x, 6 times negative 1 is negative 6, equal 6x minus 1. Combine the like terms, 6x and 6x. It will move, it was positive here, so it will move with negative 6x. Subtract 6x minus 6x is 0. Negative 6 equals, what do you still have here? Negative 1. Does it make sense? No. So this is no solution. Whenever they are not equal, like this, so this means it is no solution. Question 4. 6n plus 7 minus 2n minus 14 equals 5n plus 1. Again, DCI, distribute, combine, and inverse. Do you have something to distribute? We distributed here because we had a bracket. But do we have a bracket here? No. So we do not have distributing. We have combining. So we have the like terms 6n and 5n and negative 2n. So let's try to combine them. Here is the right hand side and here is the left hand side. 6n minus 2n is just 4n. Plus 7 minus 14. So leave them. Plus 7 minus 14 equals 5n plus 1. So I added 6n minus 2n. It gave me 4n. Again, like terms. 4n and 5n. Combine them together. So 5n can move with negative. So negative 5n. It was positive. It moved with negative. So 4n minus 5n is negative n plus, what is 7 minus 14? 7 minus 14 is negative 7 equals, what do you still have here? 1. Again, combine the like terms, negative 7 and 1. These are the like terms. Why do I say they are like terms? Because they do not have n. So negative 7 can move here with positive. So 1 plus 7 is 8. And you still have here negative n. Take care, this is negative n. So I should divide by negative 1, divide by negative 1 to get rid of this negative. So what would happen is, negative would cancel with negative, n equals negative 8. Whenever there is a variable equals a constant, this means I have one solution. So number 4, it has one solution. Very good. Pause the video and try to solve 5. 4x plus 5 equals 9 plus 4x. Like terms, 4x and 4x. If you notice, they would cancel each other. Why? Because 4x would move to the left, negative 4x. Cancel, cancel. 5 equals 9. Does it make sense? No. So no solution. Very good. Now, I also have a fraction. How to get rid of this fraction? I have the half. So times what to get rid of this denominator? You should multiply by the denominator here, so it's times 2. So half times 2. Cancel, cancel. 2 divided 2 is 1. 1 times 1 is just 1. So what did I do? I multiplied by 2 to get rid of the fraction. So all what I will do now is multiply the left hand side with 2. Multiply the right hand side with 2 also. So what would happen is 2 times half is, we have just said, 1. So now it becomes, these are cancelled together. So it becomes 8 minus x equals, again, 2.5 would cancel. 2 over 2 is 1. So you still have 8 minus x. Whenever you have an equation that's exactly the same, right hand side is equal to the left hand side, you can directly say infinitely many solutions. To prove this, also we will combine the like terms. So negative x can move to the left hand side here with positive x. So they would cancel. So 8 equals 8. Constant equal constant. So this means that I have many solutions. 7 and 8. Question 7. Pause the video and try to do it on your own. So 8y, 8 bracket y plus 4, DCI. In this question I have distribution. So 8 times y first and then 8 times 4. 8 times y is 8y plus 8 times 4 is 32 equals 7y plus 38. Combine the like terms. So 8y and 7y. These are the like terms. 7y would move with negative 7y. So 8y minus 7y is just 1y. So it's just y. Plus 32 equals 38. The question now is I want to combine the like terms again. So this 32 would move from left to right with negative. So it is negative 32. So 38 minus 32 is just 6. So y equals 6. This means that variable equals a constant. So this means I have one solution. Pause the video and try also to do the next. DCI. Do I have a bracket? Yes. So I will use distributing. So 4 times negative 8 first, and then 4 times 12. 4 times negative 8 is negative 32x. 4 times negative 8x is negative 32x. Plus 4 times 12 is 48 equals. What is negative 26? Negative 32x. What are the like terms? Negative 32x, negative 32x. These are the like terms. You can combine them after distributing. I can now combine. I have right hand side and left hand side. This negative would move to the left with positive 32x. Negative 32x plus 32x cancel. So now you have 48 equals negative 26. Does it make sense? No. This constant is not equal to the other one. So this means you have no solution to this equation. Now, 2 bracket x plus 12 equals 3x plus 24 minus x. Again, DCI, distribute 2 times x and 2 times 12. This would be 2x plus 24. 12 times 2 is 24 equals 3x plus 24 minus x. Very good. What are the like terms? Here you have 3x, negative x, and 2x. Try to combine 3x minus x. This would be 2x. What do you still have? Plus 24. And you still have the equal sign here in the middle. What do we have here? 2x plus 24. Again, like terms. 2x and 2x. Combine. This would move from right to left with negative 2x. Cancel. So 24 equals 24. Does it make sense? Yes. So it has infinitely many solutions. Pause the video and try. Again, DCI, distribute, combine errors. Do I have distributing here? Yes. This 2 with x and this 2 with negative 9. So 2 times x is 2x. 2 times negative 9, negative 18 equals 2x minus 2. What do you still have here? 3x minus 14. And take care, this is plus in the middle here. So what are the like terms? 3x, 2x, and the last one is 2x also. So 3x plus 2x is 5x. Negative 14, negative 18. Let's also combine them. Negative 14, negative 18, and negative 2. These are all like terms. So what is negative 14 on a draft here? Negative 14, negative 18. Whenever you have the same sign, so we add them and we have the answer with the same sign. So 4 and 8, 12. 2 and carry up 1. 1 and 1 is 2. 2 and 1 is 3. So it is negative 32. Equals, what do you have? 2x minus 2. Again, like terms. 5x and 2x. Combine. After distributing, I will combine. 2x would move from right to left with negative 2x. 5x minus 2x is 3x minus 32 equals negative 2. So now 3x minus 32 equals negative 2. This would move from left to right with positive 32. So now 3x equal 32 minus 2 is 30. Positive 32 and 2. We subtract them. 32 minus 2 is 30. And we take the bigger number sign, which is the 32. So positive 30. 32 minus 2 is 30 with positive. We want to get rid of the constant beside the x, the coefficient of x. I want to get by the end x equals something. So whenever it's 3x, this means it is multiplied. What is the opposite of multiplication? Division. So we divide by 3y to get rid of this 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1, so x equal. 30 divided by 3 is 10, so x equals 10, which is one solution. Very good. Whenever a variable is equal to a constant, so this means it's one solution. Word problems. I would like you to pause the video for a second, read the question, and continue. Cell phone company A, we have a company A, okay, that charges $20 per month. $20 per month. Plus, here I have here the plus, here is the plus. Plus what? $0.05 per text, or we can say 5 cents per text. So here is plus 5 cents per text. This is per text message. Cell phone company B, so we have another company. It charges $10. It is $10 per month. Plus, again, here he has plus, so I'll put a plus. Per 7 cents per message, $0.07 per text or text message. Is there any number of text message? So he wants to find the number of text messages that would result in exact same charge from both companies. The word same means that I'm gonna have an equal in the middle. So what do I have? $20. This is the subscription plus 0.05 T per text, so 0.05 T. And here I have $10 subscription plus per text we have 0.07 T. And now let's try to combine the like terms. 10 and 20. So 20 minus 10 is just 10 plus 0.05 T equals 0.07 T. And now let's combine again. 0.05 T and 0.07 T. It can move with negative. 0.07 T. Subtract. Sorry, this is 5. So 7 minus 5 is 2. 0.0. So 0.02 T equals what? Equals 10. I want to get rid of the coefficient of T. So divide both sides by 10 or 0.02. I want to get rid of this. So divide by 0.02. Cancel, cancel. So now it becomes T equals 10 over 0.02. Whenever I have a decimal, how do I get rid of it? Multiply by 2 decimal places, so it's times 100, and times 100 up also, so it becomes 1000 over 2, which is 500. So now I have a solution for the T. So T equals 500. So now let's answer this. Is there any number of text messages that will result in exact same charge from both companies? Yes. Whenever T is equal to 500, the charge will be the same. You will pay the same for both companies if you send 500 messages. So T equals 500 messages. Last question, 12. Here is saying Lisa's pet shop has 2 fish tanks. Tank A contains smaller fish who are fed 1 gram of food each per day. So we have tank A And we also have tank B. So let's see. In tank A, the fish is fed 1 gram per day. Tank B contains larger fish who are fed 2 grams per day. 2 grams per day. So 2 grams per day in tank B. If tank B already contains 2/3 the fish number of fish that tank A contains, will Lisa ever feed both tanks the same amount of food? This is the question. And take care here. Tank B contains 2/3 the number of fish that tank A contains. So it has 2/3 fishes of tank A. For example, if this one has 3 fishes, so this one has only 2 fishes. Okay? So 2/3 fishes. Let's convert this to equations. This is 1 gram per day, so this is 1D. For example, this is 1D. Is it equal 2 grams per day multiplied by the 2/3 fishes? Take care that this 2/3 would be multiplied with the 2. So 2/3 D times the 2. So this would be 4/3 D and equal 1D. Does it make sense? Will they be equal? Let's see. Here's divide by D, here's divide by D. So what would happen? This would cancel. So 1 is not equal 4/3. So this is no solution and no way that both fishes will be fed the same amount of food. So again, why did I multiply 2 times 2/3? Because he's saying 2 grams of food each per day, each fish. So, and he has 2/3 fish, so 2 times 2/3 D. 2 times 2/3 is 4/3. So what would happen now? They are not equal. 1 is not equal to 4/3, so this is no solution. Thank you so much. Please, if you have any questions, please send me on Classera or on Google Classroom.